Install the shower valve so it is easy to reach and aligned with the tub spout for smooth operation. Place the valve body at a working height of 36 inches above the finished floor, measured to the center of the handle for best ergonomics and to match common trim kits. Roughen the valve before drywall or backer board so you can solder or crimp connections without obstruction, and verify the valve orientation for diverter functions if the trim has a tub spout diverter. Use cross-linked polyethylene piping or copper, and consider push-fit adapters like SharkBite only where code and manufacturer instructions allow, cutting pipe square and deburring before insertion for a leak-free seal. When sweat soldering, protect the valve cartridge with heat shields or remove it if the manufacturer allows, and mark port positions to avoid reversing hot and cold lines. Support piping within 6 inches of the valve with a secure strap to prevent movement that stresses fittings, and follow the valve manufacturer for depth from finished wall so the trim plate sits flush. Test the assembly under at least 50 pounds per square inch water pressure for several minutes, and cure time for any solvent welds or solder joints before closing the wall. One common mistake is setting the valve too deep or too shallow, which prevents the trim from seating properly, so measure from the finished wall and use a cardboard template to confirm depth before finalizing the rough-in. Another frequent issue is reversed hot and cold lines, which causes confusion and safety hazards. Label the lines at rough-in and dry fit the handle to confirm correct rotation before finishing. Threaded pipe connections leaking is typical when they are not sealed or properly tightened. Use the correct thread sealant or tape on tapered threads, and avoid over-tightening, which can crack fittings. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare multiple bids for their bathroom work. We also help contractors find job leads and connect with a community forum where we and other users discuss installation tips, product choices, and troubleshooting.